Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is December the 5th. We are out here in beautiful Alpharetta, Georgia. It is a beautiful day today. It's a little windy, but it's not as cold as it was yesterday. So today I went and did a consultation this morning that went very well. It booked on the spot in Midtown. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Velli. I just met Mr. Velli. He went off to work. So I came out here a couple weeks ago. Miss Velli originally set her appointment up for last Wednesday before Thanksgiving, but she said, you know what, Courtney, we got so many people coming in. Let's wait until today. So what we're going to be doing is 1,606 square feet of wood floor cleaning, just cleaning the wood floors. She said she just want the wood floors clean, but eventually they are going to have the floors screened and recoated, because you can see, kind of see in the high traffic areas, the polyurethane starting to wear. But Mr. Velli just told me to set an appointment to have the stairs screened and recoated. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we are doing today. I say we, my student Anthony 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭, Good House, out of Charlotte, North Carolina. There's this van. So after this job, I have to go do another consultation. Anthony's going to head back home because he has a huge project to start Monday, a sanding job. So he also sand floors. So let me show you guys what we are doing. So it's a beautiful home, beautiful floors, and like I said, we're just doing a cleaning. And shout out to one of my mentors, my heroes, a guy who really inspired me, Mr. Mark Sager Steam out of Minnesota. I'm going to be using his all-purpose or all multi-purpose cleaner today. All right, so we just put some of this in our machine. Sager right there. All right. And these are the floors we're doing, guys. So Miss Velli is just moving some of the items. See, the Christmas tree is already up. Beautiful tree. So we're just going to be cleaning the floors. We're going to be using our PEX 500. All right. Right through here, there's this beautiful kitchen. And got through here. Just going to be going around the rug. Here. And what I usually do is kind of fold the rug up like this. Clean under it, lay it back. And then through here, there's Anthony right there. Then we got the office right here. Down there, there's Miss Velli right there. Dining room, and then the foyer. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. And Anthony, say what's up, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Right, yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
There you go. See there? Good. What is it? Good House,
Good House
Floor Care and Repair. Yep, on YouTube. And these are the stairs we're going to screen and recoat in another day. So screen and recoat is $50 per stair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 stairs. And this is the main reason. You can kind of see these first 4 stairs are starting to take a beating from the dogs. And and also too, Mr. Bell said, Courtney, why is these stairs shiny when the floors are matte? Because usually they have these stairs done before installation, and they'll usually use like an oil base. By looking at these stairs where the poly is chipping off, I can kind of see that amber, and it's probably an oil. I'm not, and even Anthony said it, because he actually sands floors, and then there's a 90% chance this is an oil base. So I'm gonna scratch that off the floors and then go with a matte finish so the stairs are uniform with the floors. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and get started. Check it out. We've done this side of the house. I just also went and did the catwalk. But you look at the floors now. I'm going to turn around. I can see a difference. I don't know if you can from the video, but what is wrong with these floors, they had a lot of cleaning residue on it. And as I'm extracting that residue, because I see a lot of, see right here, guys, you see my solution is a neutral cleaner, so it's not soapy. But in my solution tank, I'm dumping more often than needed. I actually need some more defoamer because of all that soap that's into these on the floors. So so for example, oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh yeah. So what I'm going to do now is see, when I turn around, you can just see the footprints and you can see the residue compared to over here. Huge difference. Let me zoom in and show you guys. So this is when a professional cleaning is very necessary. When you notice no matter what you do, your floor is just not coming clean. And then when you come over here, you see that? See like stuff like that, the residue on the floor. So yep. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this home. Come back and show you the final results and go do a consultation. All right, guys, show you all this soap that came out the floors. All right, look at that. That's all that residue off the floors. It's coming through. Like I was saying earlier, this is one of the most common issues with floors, and especially clients who have maids and cleaning services, because they'll come in and they'll just put anything on the floors and leave a lot of residue because they're, you know, maid cleaners or maids. They're not educated when it comes to floor cleaners, so they use stuff like Fabuloso, Bona. Also, Murphy's Oil Soap is one of the worst ones. Murphy's Oil Soap has a pH of 11. I can't even believe that, and that will leave so much residue on your floor. And of course the acrylic waxes, and remember guys, the residue is totally different from the acrylic wax. Acrylic wax is those polishes and those waxes that you guys see me removing: Quick Shine, Bona, Polish, Mop and Glow, Rejuvenate, where something like Murphy's Oil Soap or Fabuloso, right, those leave. Look at that last dump. All right guys, showing my client, look how. So what it is, when you're using all that residue on the floors, remember guys, residue is still a form of a surfactant, some type of cleaning agent, and it loves to draw more soil to, it's like a magnet to dirt. So that's why the floors are so dirty and they're coming so clean, because all that residue and all that embedded soil together. And now you can see. All right, guys, let's go in here and check out the results. Actually, my client from yesterday, Miss Janice, I did the screen and recoat with UV Cure. She just wrote me a review on Google. Said it was very easy working with my company, and the customer service was amazing. And that's what I am, guys. I'm just a straightforward person. I'll see if I can help people with their problems. I give them a price, and let them make the decision, because I have enough information, videos, pictures, reviews out there to show what I do. So look at these floors now, nice and clean, man. Huge difference. So beautiful floor too. Me and my client was just talking about the house being built, and I will say the builder that built this house did a great job with the floors, because I'm seeing a lot of engineered floors in these type of homes now, because engineered floors are already pre-made and all they have to do is install them. So with these floors, they had to let them acclimate, then they had to install them, then they had to sand them, stain them, because these floors are stained, and then finish them. So it was definitely a process. So, all right, guys, well, that's going to do it. I want to shoot off and do a consultation in Cobb County. Beautiful. All right, guys. And I'll also shout out to Anthony. He went back to Charlotte. He has a huge project coming up next week. All right, and then I think I'm going to be back to do the screen and recoat on the stairs. All right, guys, see you in the next one.